You can't see me. But I'm up really, it's really early. Like 12 o'clock here. I just want to tell you 5 facts about me. Practice. I'm not gay. I am straight as right now. I'm not bisexual or anything. So if I hear a gay comment in the comments about my vids, you can go straight to hell. Who's your crush right now? That'd be Hunter Murray. We know each other like for a while now, so I think he likes her back. I don't know. I really like him. Number 3. Who's your best friend on Animal Jam? Not the person that you question for. If you could choose any celebrity, who would you be with? No one. I can't. No one could take the place of Hunter. What do you prefer, collies or corgis? Collies. I'll do a few more things. So guys, it's snowing. I'm trapped inside the house. So I'm pretty bored. You know? You can say things.